Welcome to Stay Highway, the place where fitness is explained simply, without confusion, without ego, and without fake motivation. If you're a student, busy person, or someone trying to stay consistent, this channel is for you. All right, let's talk about muscle growth. You wake up tired. You promise yourself, today I'll train properly. But by evening, the day drained you. Work, classes, travel, stress. You still go to the gym. You lift, you sweat, you push through. And weeks later, you ask, why am I still not growing? If that feels relatable, don't worry. You're not failing. You're just missing one key truth about muscle. Stay with me. This will change how you train forever. The big lie about muscle growth. Most people believe muscle grows in the gym. That's the lie. The gym is not where growth happens. The gym is where you send a signal. Growth happens after. Think of it like studying. You don't get smarter while reading the book. You get smarter when your brain processes it later. Muscle works the same way. Training is the message. Recovery is the response. No recovery, no growth. Now let's break down what real muscle growth actually is. Hypertrophy explained simply. Let's keep this simple. Hypertrophy means your muscle fibers get thicker and stronger. When you lift weights, you create tension. You apply controlled stress. You challenge the muscle but don't destroy it. Not pain, not damage, not punishment. Your body looks at that stress and says, this level is not enough for survival. So it adapts. It adds more muscle protein. It strengthens the fibers. Not to look aesthetic, but to protect you next time. That's hypertrophy. But here's where most people mess things up. Muscle damage versus recovery. Listen carefully, this part matters. Muscle growth is not about destroying your body. More soreness does not mean more gains. Muscle damage is like a small crack in a wall. Recovery is the repair crew. If you keep hitting the wall, but never let the crew work, the wall doesn't get stronger. It collapses. That's why overtraining kills progress. Daily max workouts burn you out. Motivation disappears. Your body needs time to repair and upgrade. And this leads to the most misunderstood rule in fitness. Why rest is not laziness. Rest feels unproductive, especially when life already feels slow. But rest is when muscle protein is built, hormones recover, your nervous system resets. Sleep is not optional. Rest days are not weakness. They are part of the plan. If you sleep 5 hours, train every day, eat randomly, your body enters survival mode. And survival mode never builds muscle. So what does real muscle growth look like in everyday life? A day in the life of muscle growth. Let's break it down. Morning, recovery phase. Your muscles are still repairing from yesterday. Good sleep, better recovery. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Protect your energy. Afternoon, fuel phase. You eat protein. You give your body building material. Add one protein-rich meal today. Eggs, dal, whey, chicken, paneer, whatever you have. Evening, training phase. You train with intent, not ego, not random chaos. Follow progressive overload. One more rep, one more kilo, better form. That's enough. Night, growth phase. Your body upgrades itself. Stop scrolling late. Let recovery finish the job. And if you feel tired or stuck, hear this. For the tired and burnt-out viewer, if you feel exhausted, unfocused, stuck in life, you're not lazy. You're overloaded. You don't need more motivation. You need better structure and recovery. Small, consistent effort beats extreme bursts every single time. So here are 3 simple rules to remember.
The 3 rules of muscle growth. Repeat these. 1. Train to send the signal. 2. Eat to support the signal. 3. Rest to complete the signal. Miss one, results slow. Follow all 3, growth becomes predictable. Muscle growth is not luck. It's not genetics. It's not supplements. It's a process. Respect the process. Trust the work. Be patient with your body. Stay consistent. Stay fueled. Stay high way. If this helped you understand training better, like the video, subscribe to Stay High Way, and share this with someone training hard but not seeing results. We grow better together.